How to make sure Discord runs as administrator on PC. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, move into the application Discord. Once you find it, do the right click on Discord. At the bottom, click on Properties. And then move into Compatibility right over here. In this section, you should see the option to run as an administrator. If you see that option, click on it and then tap on Apply. Once done, the Discord will start to run as an administrator. If not, once again do the right click and click on Run as Administrator. You need to wait for a while for it to load. Well, if it supports you on your device, then the Discord will start to run as an administrator and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.